Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show how to make pin messages in Telegram channel. First open the Telegram channel and after that just open the chat with anybody you did and then select which important messages you want to make it pin, because the messages which you making in pin, it will be in top whenever you want. Just pick directly that one. That's why we are making the pin messages in Telegram. So I'm making the tab just one messages. Yes, now it's asking reply, copy or forward or pin, delete. Just I'm going to pick pin. Yes, it's asking for required for both persons. If required for both persons, just check the box. If it is not required for both person, if you want only for you, just uncheck the boxes. Just tap the pin. Yes, message pin. Messages came on top. See here. Yes, if you tap these messages again, it will come the same locations. So whenever you want some important messages, some more messages also, you can be make the pin. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching my video and thank you very much. Bye bye.